Hey, good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well, as well as we can in this situation, and that, we're just, mentally doing okay. And if you're not, that you have someone that you can reach out to. It's been a kind of crazy time. And, a lot of people have lost their jobs. We're working from home. The kids are home. Routines have been just disrupted. And it's just been crazy and very stressful for a lot of us. So, don't feel so pressured. I guess more people now are on social media since we're home and that's all we can do, but take a break from it, read a book, sit outside. I'm not saying, I've seen people like just reorganize their whole houses, and that's okay. Whatever makes you happy and whatever can kind of keep you in a good mental state, whether that's doing absolutely nothing and binging on Netflix and, letting your kids have cereal every single day, or whether that's redoing your whole house. I mean, it's whatever is good for you. I know for me, I've been reading a lot more, and praying a lot more, and just trying to just mentally get myself there. I'm also trying to stick to some sort of routine. The first week or two, honestly, I was just like eating whatever and but it started to make me feel kind of like heavy and just, in my head and my body, everything. Just so the kids are logged on to school right now, and while their first hour, I'll try to make sure I work out, or I work out before they start, just to kind of get them settled. But they're doing that. I just finished working out. Today is Monday. It's April 6th, if we're wondering what day it is. And I just did a leg workout. I had half a banana and a bottle of water. And then I had some BCAAs. These are the ones that I've been taking, and I like them. I take them during my workout. So I'm gonna go ahead and shower, and then I'm gonna make a protein shake. It's already after 10, and then I'll probably have and then make my real breakfast. I'm just trying to make sure I'm eating enough protein to maintain the muscle that I was bulking, because now it'll probably be kind of like a cutting, because I'm not eating as much. Like I had like the first 2 weeks I was like binging on everything, and now I'm just like, my appetite is just, it's not a lot, and I haven't been sleeping good. So but I'm gonna show you guys really quick some things that I picked up from Fabletics. My birthday was March 31st, and we were home, so I just placed an order for some new workout clothes that I needed to get, because some of them were getting holes and stuff in them, so I wanted to give them a tryout. I did work out in one of their bras, and this is I think it's the L High Impact, and it has this zipper in the front and like clasp inside, and it's it did the job. And I got size mediums and everything. Do my Bible study, which is what I've been doing, trying to do a Bible study every day. I have some plans on my phone that I've been reading. Yesterday was Palm Sunday. Easter is actually this next Sunday. So I'm doing like 2 Easter plans and then a regular plan. And then I'm just doing like free reading in the Bible and just like highlighting stuff. Because I feel like that's something that I would like to understand more. So these are the high-waisted printed power hole. These are in camo print. And I picked up this high impact sports bra in black. I did get size medium for everything. This is the Bell High Impact Sports Bra. So I got that one. I also got one in burgundy, because I also got some burgundy leggings. They're the Power Hold. I tried them on, they fit. The material is a little thinner, at least than what I thought it was gonna be, but I figured these would match. These would match. And then I got this long sleeve. This is the Jamie Mesh long sleeve top, and I really like the way this, I like the way that this fits. I already tried them on just to make sure before I unwrapped everything that I didn't have to send anything back. And then I got this, not really my color, but it fits very well. I'm also wearing another one. I'll show you guys now. This is the Ella High Impact Support front zip bra. And then I got one that's just bold, and I'm actually wearing it. Hey guys, so I just finished working out. I had my protein shake. And I had half a bagel. I'm gonna go ahead and just do my eyebrows because I don't know. I'm just gonna do them, and then I'm feeling kind of tired. My tooth is kind of bothering me a bit. I have a temporary crown in, and I was supposed to get one, but since it's not an emergency, you know, because I have the temporary, I should be good until next month. But we'll see, because if it gets any worse, I'm gonna have to call them. I'm gonna do my brows and just kind of refresh my hair. I did do a rinse on Saturday. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
You finished with school?
Yeah.
You have homework?
No, not today. Actually, wait, yeah, but she's gonna post it later at 1.
Oh, okay. Is Noah still on?
Yeah. He still has 2 more hours.
Well, he has like an independent study for an hour, and then he has to go back for his specials at 2.
Alright, I'm gonna make a sandwich.
Okay, can you make him one and then
Yeah, I'll put it in.
Grab some chips if you want from here. You can grab them now. I'll do it. All these are gone in here. There's nothing.
I mean, Daddy has Doritos now.
Okay. You put this in the recycling box. And then just close the door. Alright guys, so and then yes, I am keeping snacks in my room because they are eating up everything, you know. They're just, it's like they forgot the schedule that they had when they went to school. Like you have breakfast, and then you have lunch, then you have dinner, and then maybe a snack or two. They're just snacking all freaking day. So I keep stuff in my room. So I forgot what I was talking about. Oh yeah, I've been feeling kind of tired. My tooth is bothering me, but it's not like really bad. I'm just brushing my eyebrows out. I did clean them out the other day, clean them up a bit. I've been getting like random cystic acne, and they're like not this. I got bit by a bee. I was doing some yard work, but like here and here, and it just takes forever for the bumps to go away. All right, so normally I would use my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil, and that's what I'm gonna use today. Or I'll use their brow powder kit. So it just depends. I can't really see. I think I'm gonna grab my mirror. I'll be right back. Just following the bottom line. And I'm just basically outlining it because this is very pigmented. I just finished doing a Bible study, and I had a meditation on it, and it made me really sleepy. So I think I'm gonna try to take a nap later and listen to another meditation. It's an Easter one, so I was supposed to start it yesterday, but I didn't, so I started it today. So I'm due for 2 today. I'm gonna put something on my lips, so I'm gonna use, it's not even open. This is a Wet n Wild lip pencil, and it is in chestnut. Guys, let's get my lips a little color. All right, so I just worked out. I waited till my hair dried up a bit from the sweat. I just use these black scarves. I have a couple, so I'm just gonna throw it in the wash because I need to put a load of laundry in now. So I washed my hair on Saturday. Today is Monday. I've had these braids in for I think almost 2 weeks. My mother-in-law did them for me. I think I'm gonna try to keep them in for a month and then maybe do them myself. So I'm just gonna get some oil. This is olive oil, grapeseed oil, some peppermint oil, and it has fenugreek seeds. It's like an Indian Ayurvedic, helps with growth and moisturizing and stuff. So I'm just gonna kind of put that in there, get the spots that like itch. Just rub it in. It's really important to make sure your hair is moisturized because this braiding hair does dry out your natural hair. So I did deep condition and stuff before I put them in. So just make sure you're moisturizing your hair, you know. I've only had them in a week and I already washed them because I do sweat a lot with my workouts. So I'm taking this braid sheen spray. I'm just basically going to hit everything. I'm just gonna kind of squeeze the product into the braid so it does penetrate into my hair. So I hope everybody's doing good today. Just kind of felt like a little rougher day for me, but did my meditations and prayed and just worked out. Just sometimes I feel like I need to like tire myself out, and then sometimes I feel like I just need to sit down and not do anything. So I mean, like I said earlier, you got to do stuff for you. Social media is just, I mean, we're on it all the time. Like we just need a break, and today I need a mental break from it, and I'm going to give it to myself. So I'm also gonna go, my hair is around, my ends are like around here, so I'm gonna make sure to spritz those good. And then I'm gonna go on the other side. guys, so I'm gonna apply some of this spray oil. It's Palmer's olive oil, conditioning oil, and it's just basically to more moisture and shine. There's no point in doing a protective style if you're not gonna take care of your hair. All right, so like I was saying, I feel kind of tired today, just exhausted mentally. So I'm also gonna use a little bit like on the hair, on the ends of this hair. And I haven't been styling my braids because I haven't been going anywhere, and it just feels good when they're just like out. So but I'm gonna keep them out of my face because I'm gonna go do some laundry, and I made shrimp yesterday, but I think I'm gonna make I seasoned some chicken up. I think I'm gonna do that with some mashed potatoes. Alright guys, so that is how I do my eyebrows and refresh my braids a bit. I'm gonna get some laundry done, some cooking, and then I'll probably go ahead and give myself a manicure. So I hope you guys are doing okay and just take a minute to really just breathe. So I'll see you guys in my next video.